Welcome back to Motorcycle Enthusiasts. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our deep dives into the world of motorcycles. Today, we're embarking on a journey through time to explore a legendary machine that has left an indelible mark on motorcycle history, the 2026 Harley-Davidson WLA. Now, you might be thinking, the WLA? Isn't that a World War II-era bike? You're absolutely right. But today, we're not just reminiscing about the past. We're looking at how Harley-Davidson has revived this iconic model for the modern era. So, buckle up as we delve into the evolution of the Harley-Davidson WLA, from its wartime origins to its contemporary resurgence. The story of the Harley-Davidson WLA begins in the late 1930s. As tensions rose globally, the U.S. military sought a reliable motorcycle for reconnaissance, messengers, and general utility. Harley-Davidson, already a trusted name in American motorcycles, answered the call. The result was the WLA, a rugged machine designed to withstand the rigors of war. The original WLA was based on Harley's WL civilian model, but was heavily modified for military use. It featured a 45 cubic inch, 738 cubic centimeters, side-valve V-twin engine, capable of producing 25 horsepower. This engine was paired with a 3-speed handshift transmission, providing the necessary power and reliability for military operations. The bike's design included a tubular steel frame, Springer front fork, and drum brakes, all contributing to its durability. One of the standout features of the WLA was its adaptability. It was equipped with blackout lights to maintain stealth during nighttime operations, a skid plate to protect the engine during off-road use, and heavy-duty luggage racks for carrying equipment. Additionally, the WLA could ford streams up to 16 inches deep, making it versatile in various terrains. Over 90,000 units of the WLA were produced during World War II, serving in diverse theaters from the deserts of North Africa to the jungles of the Pacific. Its reliability and ruggedness earned it the nickname Liberator among Allied forces. After the war, many WLAs were sold as surplus, becoming popular among civilians and even inspiring the early days of the American motorcycle club scene. Fast forward to 2026, and Harley-Davidson has reimagined the WLA for the modern rider. Drawing inspiration from its storied past, the 2026 WLA combines classic design elements with contemporary technology. The result is a motorcycle that pays homage to its heritage while embracing the future. But the 2026 WLA isn't just about looks and technology. It's about capturing the spirit of adventure. Harley-Davidson has ensured that the bike remains true to its roots by incorporating features like a skid plate, rugged tires, and a robust suspension system. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-road trails, the 2026 WLA is built to handle it all. As we look to the future, the 2026 Harley-Davidson WLA stands as a testament to the brand's commitment to honoring its legacy while embracing innovation. It's a motorcycle that tells a story of resilience, freedom, and the open road. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the history and revival of the Harley-Davidson WLA. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow motorcycle enthusiasts. And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and motorcycle stories. Until next time, keep the rubber side down and the throttle twisted.